Hey fam, welcome to my channel. My name is Mark, and this is a video on the Bitcoin ETF approval. Now, it's not something I normally talk about, but I think the significance of it, the impact of it moving forward, I thought I had to do a video on it. Now, this has taken like years and years. Like, I think the first ETFs, they were like applications were put in like 2016, 2017. So 6 or 7 years in the making, and it's finally happened. Now, this is put out on the SEC website. Gary Gensler's put the statement out. It's a statement on the approval of spot Bitcoin exchange trade products, and I'll put a link in the comments if you want to read it. But this is really big news because it allows institutional money to come in. It's like they've been sat on the sidelines for so long, not been able to participate, but finally the day comes where they can now get involved in Bitcoin, and it's going to bring in billions and billions of dollars. But one thing it does besides that, it brings credibility into Bitcoin, which for retail investors, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto, it's all one of the same. People don't generally differentiate between any of it. It's just crypto, Bitcoin. And I think because of this approval now from the SEC, I think the credibility side of across the whole of crypto, I think it's going to invite a lot more people into the space, and I think there's going to be a lot more money flow coming in. So if you think about 2024, so you've got this approval, you've got the Bitcoin halving in April, and then you've got potentially interest rate cuts. If you combine all those three together with the accelerated interest that's in crypto, and especially now because of this ETF approval, there's going to be more eyes brought onto it as well, because this is going to be in the media big time, especially if Bitcoin starts going up in value. And this would basically accelerate the start of the bull run. So it's very exciting times. So I'm just going to jump across to this little video on CNBC. So you got John Van Eck and talking about the approval of the Bitcoin ETF. So I'm just going to quickly play this.
Well, John, I can break news because your producers were asking, and a colleague just gave me the thumbs up, which means that the SEC is going to declare our prospectus effective, which means we can start trading tomorrow.
Okay, and so what's your expectation of how this is going to shift the environment and the mood around Bitcoin? There's been a lot of anticipation around this. The prices of Bitcoin ran up in expectation, and sort of unclear what kind of volatility we're going to see from here.
Yeah, I mean, with any ETF, it depends how is the underlying market trading. So that was the context that I like to set today. So first of all, about $30 billion of Bitcoin trades every day, half of it on exchanges like Coinbase, and the other half over the counter. So there's a lot of liquidity in the underlying asset of Bitcoin. Compare that to the biggest Bitcoin fund, GBTC, right now, which is about 26 billion. So there's a lot of liquidity. GBTC trades under $200 million a day. So if that kind of on-exchange volume shifts over to the ETFs, things should be pretty smooth tomorrow, would be my expectation.
So nice to get confirmation from one of the funds, and obviously that applies to all the other ETFs that have been approved as well. So it's really big news. Big things are going to be coming, and one of the biggest names in Bitcoin is Michael Saylor, and he's already posted out there. Tomorrow, Bitcoin goes public. And he's quite right. So it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good month. It's going to be a good year. In fact, it's going to be a good future for crypto. And I think, again, as I mentioned, this is the beginning of mass adoption, because it's going to get more and more credible as time goes on. So I hope you enjoyed this little update. Again, don't want to be an echo chamber, but I had to get a video out there just to acknowledge what's happened. So if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications on, and I'll catch you on the next video.